Dogs biting their owners is more common than many people think, and understanding why it happens is key to preventing it. First, it is important to know that biting is a natural behavior for dogs, but it is usually a form of communication, not pure aggression. Dogs use their mouths to explore, play, and sometimes defend themselves. Puppies, for example, go through a stage where they bite and chew on things, including hands and fingers. This is normal, but it is also when they learn bite inhibition, which is the ability to control the strength of their bite. If a puppy bites too hard during play, their littermates or mother will react, teaching the puppy that strong biting is not acceptable. Owners need to help reinforce this learning with gentle correction and redirection to toys. Lack of bite inhibition training can increase the risk of bites later in life. Fear is one of the most common triggers for a dog to bite. When a dog feels threatened or cornered, biting is a defense mechanism. It is important to recognize body language that signals fear, such as a tucked tail, lowered body, pinned back ears, growling, or showing teeth. Many bites happen when owners unknowingly scare their dogs, for example, by approaching too quickly, handling them roughly, or forcing interactions with strangers or other animals. Understanding a dog's signals can prevent accidents before they escalate. Pain or illness can also cause biting. Dogs cannot tell us when they feel unwell, so they may bite if someone touches a sore area or moves them in a way that hurts. This is why a dog who is normally calm may suddenly bite when being groomed, medicated, or handled. Regular veterinary checkups can help detect underlying health problems before they result in bites. Aging dogs may develop arthritis or dental pain, making them sensitive to touch. Owners need to be patient and gentle with senior dogs, respecting their limits. Territorial behavior and resource guarding are other common reasons for bites. Dogs are protective of their food, toys, beds, or even their favorite humans. If a person or another animal approaches while a dog is guarding, the dog may bite to protect what it values. Resource guarding is normal behavior, but it should be managed carefully with training and supervision. Ignoring it can increase the risk of serious bites. Puppies can also learn early that they do not need to fear sharing, which reduces resource guarding in adulthood. Lack of socialization is a major factor in biting behavior. Dogs who are not exposed to different people, animals, and environments as puppies may become fearful or anxious in new situations. Fearful dogs are more likely to react aggressively. Socialization is most effective during the first 3 months of life, but it can continue safely later with proper training. Positive experiences with strangers, children, and other dogs teach dogs that new situations are safe, reducing the likelihood of fear-based bites. Play behavior can also lead to bites. Dogs, especially puppies, use their mouths during play. What seems like a gentle game to the owner may trigger an instinctive bite response in the dog. Owners need to teach acceptable ways to play, using toys instead of hands or feet. Rough play or encouraging biting during games can make this behavior worse. Puppies and young dogs often explore with their mouths, so supervision and guidance are essential. Stress and anxiety contribute significantly to biting. Dogs under stress, whether from loud noises, changes in the household, or lack of exercise, may snap or bite unexpectedly. A stressed dog may display warning signs such as pacing, whining, or lip licking. Learning to recognize these signs early allows owners to intervene before a bite occurs. Dogs with chronic anxiety benefit from structured routines, calm interactions, and mental stimulation. Breed and genetics also play a role in biting tendencies, but it is important not to stereotype. Some breeds may be more protective or energetic, but training, socialization, and environment are far more important factors. Owners should focus on understanding their dog's personality, not assuming a dog will bite based on breed alone. Responsible ownership includes learning about your dog's natural instincts and managing them safely. Improper training or lack of rules can increase the risk of bites. Dogs that are not taught limits may test boundaries, showing dominant or stubborn behavior. Using punishment-based training or physical force can backfire, causing fear or aggression. Positive reinforcement and reward-based training encourage dogs to follow commands without fear, which decreases biting incidents. Teaching clear boundaries and consistent expectations is essential for safety. Children are often victims of dog bites. Dogs can be unpredictable around young children who may not understand how to approach or handle them. Owners should supervise interactions, teach children how to behave around dogs, and ensure the dog has a safe space to retreat to. Understanding canine behavior and setting clear rules can prevent accidents. Sudden changes in a household, such as moving, new pets, or new family members, can trigger biting episodes. Dogs are sensitive to changes in their environment, and stress may manifest as aggression. Gradual introductions, patience, and monitoring can help dogs adjust safely. Professional assessment is sometimes needed for serious or repeated biting. Animal behaviorists or certified trainers can identify triggers, teach owners management strategies, and help retrain dogs safely. Severe biting incidents may require a combination of behavioral therapy, training, and veterinary care. Ignoring biting problems can put both humans and the dog at risk. Overall, dogs bite for many reasons: fear, pain, play, stress, guarding, lack of training, or poor socialization. Understanding why dogs bite is the first step to preventing injuries. Owners who invest time in training, socialization, and careful supervision will have safer, happier dogs. Education about canine body language and responsible ownership is key. Most bites are preventable if owners understand dogs' natural instincts, respect their limits, and provide consistent guidance. Preventing bites requires attention, patience, and care throughout a dog's life. Puppies need early bite inhibition training. Adult dogs need mental stimulation, exercise, and boundaries. Senior dogs need gentle handling and medical care. Avoiding triggers, reading warning signs, and creating safe interactions are all essential. Dogs rely on humans to keep them and others safe. By learning about why dogs bite, owners can prevent accidents, protect their pets, and maintain strong, positive relationships with their dogs. Knowledge, respect, and responsible care create a safe environment for dogs and humans alike. Remember, a dog that bites out of fear or pain is communicating a need. Meeting those needs responsibly benefits both the dog and the owner. With awareness, training, and patience, dog bites can be minimized, and dogs can live happy, healthy, and secure lives. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for Japanese and Korean language learning content, fun ESL class stories, sometimes even the toxic ones, plus videos about pets, plants, and anything interesting I discover in my daily life.